Arbitrum is one of the most undervalued cryptocurrencies out there right now, and in this video I'm going to show you 7. It comes with a number of issues that are predominantly based around the speed of transaction and the cost of transaction. However, the Arbitrum Layer 2 enables Ethereum to maintain its security and decentralization, being able to improve the speed by around 7x and reduce costs around 7x as well. And how does it do that, you're asking? Well, Arbitrum is split into 2 parts, Arbitrum 1 and Arbitrum Nova. Now, Arbitrum 1 basically condenses a number of Ethereum transactions and it bundles them together in order to be more efficient. It then splits the cost of that transaction, which is obviously much quicker because it then moves together as one rather than having lots of different transactions. This ultimately is what drives the price of any asset, whether we're talking apples, whether we're talking Arbitrum, whether we're talking gold, whatever it is. Supply and demand controls everything. And if we look into this chart, you can see that Arbitrum has a larger total value lock than any other Layer 2 out there, which is pretty impressive given that Polygon has been around for a significantly larger amount of time than Arbitrum. So ultimately, once we see the total value locked increasing, the supply drops down, and if the demand starts to creep back in with the rise of cryptocurrency markets, which we're anticipating now as Bitcoin moves of any of these altcoins. Now I want you to look down that list and identify some of the altcoins on that list and see that it's just insane how much is being purchased into Arbitrum right now. Matic, Quick, Pepe, you got Linkcoin, Aave. These are absolute monster cryptos, guys, and they are being outdone here by Arbitrum. What is going on behind the scenes of Arbitrum? The big money is starting to notice what's happening in Arbitrum, and yet the price doesn't yet reflect it, and we'll be looking at the charts slightly later on. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye-bye.